Yes, thank you. Just a real quick one. We also worked on a project in refining crude Miraa. This is Catha edulis. This is a bit more local because our university is located in a place around Mount Kenya region, very high altitude area that is very good for growing Miraa. That is Catha edulis. So we were refining this to make it into a green gold by increasing its value. Generally, this is how it is sold in our markets here locally, by being just tied with some banana leaves, and they sell and they consume it just aesthetically, as shown on the figure below the product. And we found out that this is very dangerous in terms of hygiene, and we wanted to improve its market value. The second challenge was on its transportation to the market. It is very highly perishable. Once it is harvested from the field, they normally transport it in about 2 hours on a distance of about 230 miles. So the speeding and all that careless driving puts our people at risk because of unsafe driving. So some of the methods that we used was to incorporate the cat into a gum, a chewable gum. And number 2 was to incorporate cat into an energy drink. The third one was to develop an infusion tea bag, and also now do some analysis and sensory for the product. Now, in developing the infusion, because this is what we first of all did, cat has very, very perishable compounds, active compounds. These are cathinone and cathin that normally acts as stimulants. So the moment it is harvested from the field, those stimulants normally become destroyed, and it loses its capability to create stimulation in our systems. So we prepared a tea bag with ambient and oven-dried cat leaves, and then we used 60 degrees Celsius for processing and drying. Then it was not successful because of the high temperatures. Even at ambient temperatures, normally those products, the active compounds normally cease. In terms of microbial testing, we chose from different markets around the university. Those are markets, Jeru, Kianjai, Roire. Those are markets around Meru town. And then we analyzed microbial load, and we found out that those that were tested from different towns, some towns had elevated microbial loads. For example, you can see in Meru town, this is the main town where there is quite high population, and then hygiene is not good. I can see in 3 minutes we are going back. But now, in terms of extending shelf life, we processed it and designed also some transportation mechanisms like trucks and humidified trucks for cold storage. And then we found out that those that are transported at humidified chambers normally do not lose a lot of weight, obviously because of the high humidity. Number 2 is elevated amounts of total phenolic content. And then in our conclusion, when we do infusion bags, we increase its storage life, and we protect the life of people. You can see now we are coming from these pickups and now transporting it hygienically under controlled conditions at very safe speeds for our people. So thank you so much. I know time is not on our side. Thank you.